I'm Lexie, I'm a recruiter.
And I'm Tasha, I'm a recruiter as well.
So today we're gonna be making a very chill Paloma. And I first tried it at the Casual Pint, where you can try all kinds of delicious drinks and beers. So I saw it, tasted it, loved it, and brought it to you guys. So we're gonna start out by mixing some sugar and lime juice. So it's about a teaspoon of sugar, a tablespoon of lime juice. We're gonna eyeball it here, see what happens. So pour in some lime juice. You tell me if that looks okay, Tasha.
Yep.
Okay, you want some?
Good.
You wanna scoop it in there?
Sure, we'll
or
scoop
just
it.
Dump it.
We'll see if that looks like a teaspoon.
No. Yeah, that
What
looks
did
good.
you say?
All right, let's stir that up. Limey.
It's gonna have a good citrus taste.
Now for the good stuff. Tequila.
It's just a small bottle.
Yes, don't try this at home. Oh, there we go. All right, we're gonna put a shot of tequila in there.
There we go. Oh, that's a full shot.
We got plenty to go around. All right, now we're going to put our grapefruit beer in there. Now you guys can use grapefruit pop, you can use beer, you can use juice, whatever you like. The point is to get a little bit of fizz in there. So that seems like enough.
There we go.
Oh man, nobody ever said I was neat. We'll give that a little stir. Cheers.
Cheers. There's a lot of salt.
It is.
I think I tasted the salt first.
Lightly salt the rim, maybe. It is good.
You can definitely taste the tequila.
And you can taste the beer.
The salt, but otherwise it's really refreshing.
It's really refreshing. It's called the drink of summer 2019. So get yourself a Paloma. It's a cousin of the margarita. If you have any drink ideas for us, we're willing to take that.
Send them our way.
We are happy to make them on our Tipsy
Try and make
Recruiter.
them. Cheers.
Woo.